From the last 3 months, the trending topic in the electric vehicle industry is Ola Electric. But at the same time, when the industry starts growing up, there is a lot of possibilities of scams and frauds. In this video, we are going to expose one of the dealership scams or fraud happening under the name of Ola Electric. But trust me, this is a fun-filled video. Seems like the fraudster having a lot of sense of humor as well. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So firstly, one of the dealers shared this information to us. There is a scam, there is some kind of fraud is happening under the name of Ola Electric, and he forwarded some of the details, and he shared a website called olaelectricdealership.co.in. So once you open that, it seems like okay, this is a sort of similar to Ola Electric website. You will see this Ola Electric scooter video, and also once you scroll down, you will see apply now. The name, mobile name, email, full address. Are you looking for Ola scooter, hypercharger, both? And estimate investment amount, and questions or comments, submit. At the bottom of the website, they are providing a contact number as well. Even Ola Electric official website don't have a contact number. This fraud website having this contact number. Even we try to contact them and no one is lifting the call. And once you successfully submit this form, you will get a message. Customer. Starting the customer itself is a blunder because he is a dealer and they stated customer, this is your Ola Electric Mobility PVT registration form. Please print out this form and attach all documents and send on our email. Okay, this is one particular first sentence, and they mentioned required documents: Aadhaar card, PAN card, bank passbook, passport size photo, and finally he is mentioning one note: investment. When your document is verified, after that you have to pay 49,500, which is 49,500 first. You can inform me how many bike you want to do booked. See, how many bike you want to do booked. So it is a clear indication. Once you fill this form, you will be booked. And this is one more blunder. First you have pay 40% of amount, and rest amount 60% you will be pay after selling. In showroom infrastructure work, 100% company helps you. See, who are person doing this fraud, you are doing a 49,500 rupees scam. So you could have hired a content writer for 10,000 rupees, right? Instead of making these blunders. At least that textual format will be better to read. And this person is directly discussing about the margin as well. If you sell a bike, you will get a margin of 20% on a bike. And more information, please visit us, olaelectricdealership.co.in. Relationship manager Nishant Iyengar. He is using the official name of Ola Electric. So definitely he is going to book under the case as well, because using the official names of Ola Electric as well. Support customer. Customer support, no, it is support customer. Timing 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Regards, Ola Electric Mobility PV. And the real comedy begins with this document. And you will receive one document stating as official document from Ola Electric. And they have used one font, Ola Electric Mobility Limited font. See, if you see this, definitely you can understand he is a BTech graduate like me. Because if you attend for any college fest, even if you didn't won any prizes, you will get a participate certificate. Maybe this person didn't get any prizes and he want to show the respect towards the participation certificates. In the participation certificates, you will get the same font. So this person copied the same font of Ola Electric Mobility Limited and copied that, and they have pasted here. And he is respecting this participation certificate. Now the blunders I will read out. Document list for Ola Electric dealership. Aadhaar card both side. PAN card front side, application photo, passport size. This is a meme content also. And highest qualification, mark sheet, bank statement, challenge check, GST paper. And you're going to read some of the best lines in English. You can send the following documents on our email address, support@olaelectricdealership.co.in. We will transfer these documents to our verification department team. What is the department team? Again a blunder in this whatever the writing part. That is the reason I am telling you, whoever the fraudster, better you focus on hiring a content writer to do this task. It is not looking any kind of authentic. And the next one more wonderful document about terms and conditions. Dear customer, once the lease is accepted, our personal congratulations and best wishes for future endeavors. Maybe he is desperately needing one job. That is one of the reason he is congratulating for future endeavors. So it is a clear-cut information that he is not getting a job, so he is doing such a kind of fraud. And terms and conditions currently require 1000 square feet, and you have to pay at least 40% of the total amount of booking payment. If the construction of showroom infrastructure, our company is liable to give you 100% of total amount invested. In the margin of bikes segment, approximate 20% in service, 25% in total margin of spare parts. 25 to 30% company give you. And finally is giving a note as well. Ola Electric Mobility does not accept any type of cash. You need to use this method of payment such as NEFT, RTGS, net banking and UPA. Maybe a digital marketing expert as well. And finally, after these documents, they will send you a confirmation letter for your dealership. And what they said, you land documents verification have been done by our expert, and report given by them, our operations and sales team confirm that we can go ahead and open 35 dealership. So they are giving a number to this particular X person as 35 dealership. So he's got the 35th dealership option as well. Finally, this fraudster provides some bank details, beneficiary name. They used Ola Electric Mobility Private Limited as the beneficiary name, and account number, IFSC branch and bank name. And the dealer who forwarded the details to me, he checked with the bank and they said like the beneficiary name is no way related to Ola Electric Mobility Private Limited. It is actually belong to one individual account. So that's how we find out this is a complete fraud and a scam is happening. And finally, one thing is clear, whoever behind this mastermind, firstly they don't have any mind, because Ola Electric not started any dealership so far. They only plans for experience centers in the main cities. Either people who are getting into the trap such kind of websites, they are having greed of getting money, or else don't have any proper knowledge about Ola Electric. It's like buying the old 1500 rupees by paying the new 2000 rupee note. So don't believe in this kind of fraud websites, and always go to the genuine websites. See, if you really need any dealership in LA electric vehicle company, go and apply in the official website only. No company will open a separate website for the dealership. They will have a column in their official website, only that you go and proceed with that. And moreover, we sent an email to Ola Electric about this kind of fraud email and the website as well. Maybe they will take care of it. Maybe they are going to remove the website also if possible. And this particular person is also committing a crime as well, because he used the name Ola Electric in their domain name registration. He used the name organization as Ola Electric. So that is also one crime he is committed. So end of the day, once the electric vehicle industry is growing up, you're going to experience a lot of scams and frauds like this, because these fraudsters want to cash the greed of these businessmen, or else the innocence of the people. And we always suggest you to go to the official website of any company and then only proceed to it. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. And for fast updates, please do follow our Facebook page, website and Telegram group. Go Green, Go Electric.